Ladies and gents, hello, welcome back to the channel. We're hitting the trails this beautiful Sunday morning with my trusty FTX Outback Texan, of course, as usual. For those of you who recently joined the channel, thank you very much. Appreciate the support. If you're new to the channel, this is a trail truck made by FTX. It's called an Outback Texan. And of course, it's got the odd mod. Fusion SE 1800 kV. Servo. Wheels and tires. That's, I think, pretty much what I have in terms of upgrades on this. And yeah, 3D printed foams as well, and these Predator compound Proline trenches. Very good combination. Here we are, guys. This is one of my favorite obstacles in this place. There's multiple lines, and we're going to try one of the hardest ones, especially for a trail truck anyway. But I mean, this thing has got quite a heavyish body, so it's not really, well, when I say it's not suited, it's just got limitations, obviously, because of the being a bit top heavy. But these bead locks are quite heavy, so they add about a pound of weight low down. Only some cheap stuff from Fast Track, but they weigh about 132 grams each. So, but for a trail truck, I mean, not many trail trucks can do this particular line, I would imagine. Oh, let me get onto the other side. Oh, there's one tough line, that is. Sorry, I've only got my selfie stick, not my gimbal today, so it's nice and easy. Well, does that count? Wow, that was a lovely pull, eh, guys? Nice. Probably a crash. No. Whoa, stretch things out. Oh, that's a nice pull. Don't know if you can hear, stuff is screeching and squeaking. It's a nice little pass. So yeah, guys, nice. Settle down, mate. Settle down. Cool. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed it. So, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.